Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new Goldhorn pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the left eye with the curve. Then a shallow curve at the bottom to close off the eye. And color it in black. Now leave some space, and to the right, draw the side of the face like this. Then add a curve on the right for the other eye. And color it in black as well. Now hop to the left and draw a curve down for the left side of the face. And then a curved line for the bottom of the head. Next, let's draw the shapes on the top of its head. Draw an angled line above the left eye. And then another angle on the right, forming a V shape. Then two short angled lines inwards at the top. And then connect them with a straight line. Now draw the same shape to the right, but more narrow. Now let's add one more skinny shape to the right. Start with a V shape. Then an angled line up. And one more pointed line at the end. Then at the top tip, draw a small bent line down. Next, draw some small flowers inside each of these shapes. Let's draw the ears next. To the left, draw a line down next to the eye. Then a dip curve out to the left from the top. And then a shorter curved line downwards at the bottom. Now connect the two lines. And add one more curve at the end. Next, for the right ear, draw a curved rectangle shape coming out from the right eye. And then a curve underneath. Let's start drawing the antlers next. Draw a curve over on the top left. And then a wavy line up like this. Before finishing the antler, draw a small curve down to the ear to close off the shape of the head. Next, above the antler line, draw a curved triangle outwards for one of the spikes. Then continue the antler upwards with a curve and draw two more smaller spikes. Now add one more curve up. Next, add a pointed V shape at the end. And then finish off the shape of the antler with a curved line down for the other side. Now draw the other antler in a similar way, but this one should be shorter and the spikes can come out from the right side. Let's add the nose next. On the right side of the face, draw a line across, and then a U shape underneath. Next, let's draw the two rings floating in between the antlers. Start with a large circle here. And then another one inside. Now draw another set of smaller circles inside. Let's draw the body next, starting with the pointed shapes around the neck. Under the head, draw two lines down. And then a V shape underneath to close it off. Now draw another similar shape to the right. And then another skinny one on the right. Now add one more on the left. Next, draw another layer underneath like this. Next, let's draw the shape of the body. Start from the bottom left of the head and draw a curve down, to the right, and back up. Then add one more curved line on the top left of the body. Next, add some small flowers inside like this. Let's draw the tail next. Draw a curved shape coming out the back. And then a smaller curve on the right. And then one more on the left. Lastly, let's draw the feet. On the bottom right, draw a curve. Then a curved line down in the middle. Connect the lines on the left side now. and then an angled line for the bottom right. Next, inside, draw a curved V shape on the top left. And then one more curve over to the right. Now draw 2 more feet in the same way to the left. Lastly, draw the 4th foot behind the middle foot like this. And that's it for this cute Goldhorn pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.